Hello everyone, let's see few beautiful flowers today. Celosia species. Celosia is a small genus of edible and ornamental plants in the amaranth family, Amaranthaceae. The generic name is derived from the ancient Greek word which means burning, and refers to the flame-like flower heads. Species are commonly known as wallflowers, or, if the flower heads are crested by fasciation, coxcombs. Canscora diffusa. You can see 3 visible petals. But actually there are 4 petals. 2 of them merge to form a single notched petal. Clerodendron serratum from the family Verbenaceae is an important medicinal plant growing in the tropical and warm temperate regions like Africa, Southern Asia, Malaysia, and distributed throughout in forests of India and Sri Lanka. It is traditionally valued for treating pain, inflammation, rheumatism, respiratory disorders, fever and malarial fever in India.
Camelina bengalensis, commonly known as the Bengal dayflower, is a perennial herb native to tropical Asia and Africa. It has been widely introduced to areas outside its native range, including to the near tropics, Hawaii, the West Indies and to both coasts of North America. It has a long flowering period. It is often associated with disturbed soils. In both its native range and areas where it has been introduced, it is usually considered a weed, sometimes a serious one. Holmeskeoldia sanguinea is commonly called the Chinese hat plant, cup and saucer plant or mandarin's hat. It belongs to the family Verbenaceae. It is native to the Himalayan lowlands and is an erect or climbing shrub that bears narrowly trumpet-shaped flowers with crimson petals and orange-red calyces. Its unique flowers are the main interest of this scrambling shrub. Each is a narrow, orange-scarlet tube backed by a broad, circular calyx, appearing in dense terminal clusters. Nidea glauca is widely distributed in tropical Africa, and also occurs in southern India and in Sri Lanka. The inflorescence is a dense terminal head 2 to 5 cm in diameter containing 20 to 70 flowers. The plant is found at 950 to 3,300 meter altitude, in forest margins and associated bushland or wooded grassland, on rocky grassy slopes and around stream beds. Ixarococcinea, also known as jungle geranium, flame of the woods or jungle flame, is a species of flowering plants in the family Rubiaceae. It is a common flowering shrub native to southern India, Bangladesh, and Sri Lanka. It has become one of the most popular flowering shrubs in gardens and landscapes. Lucas longifolia. The longleaf lucas is an erect herb, a foot tall, with the stem leafless below. Leaves are narrowly linear, blunt, or somewhat pointed at tip. Flowers are borne in few flowered whorls. It is found in peninsular India. Euphorbia milli, the crown of thorns, Christ plant, or Christ thorn, called Corona de Cristo in Latin America, is a species of flowering plant in the spurge family, Euphorbias, native to Madagascar. The flowers are small, subtended by a pair of conspicuous petal-like bracts. The sap is moderately poisonous, and causes irritation on contact with skin or eyes. Lucas longifolia. The longleaf lucas is an erect herb, a foot tall, with the stem leafless below. Leaves are narrowly linear, blunt, or somewhat pointed at tip. Flowers are borne in few flowered whorls. It is found in peninsular India. Thank you for watching. The audio track used in this presentation was downloaded from www.bensound.com.